Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation on recurring payments on ICICI Debit Card. Today, we will be discussing a topic that affects millions of bank customers, the issue of auto-debited payments from bank accounts via debit card. While it may seem like a convenient way to pay bills, it can often lead to unexpected charges and a painful experience for customers. Ouch, that hurts. Auto-debited payments from bank accounts via debit card can often be a double-edged sword. While they offer convenience, they can also lead to unexpected charges and fees that can cause frustration and financial strain for customers. Many customers unknowingly sign up for recurring payments, forgetting about them until they see unexpected charges on their bank statements. This can be especially painful when they are already struggling to make ends meet. One common scenario where customers unknowingly sign up for recurring payments is through free trial offers. Many companies offer a free trial period, but require customers to enter their payment information in order to access the trial. If the customer forgets to cancel before the trial period ends, they will be automatically charged for the service on a recurring basis. And another common scenario is when customers sign up for a subscription service, such as an OTT membership or magazine subscription, and forget to cancel it after they stop using the service. This can lead to months of recurring payments being deducted from their account without their knowledge. To find out what recurring payments are set up on your ICICI debit card, we made this video for you. In this video, we'll show you how to find out what recurring payments are set up on your ICICI debit card and how to cancel or manage them. It's a breeze once you know the steps. Please note that the information in this video is based on the process as of July 2023, and there might have been updates or changes since then. Therefore, always double-check with the official ICICI Bank website or contact their customer support if you encounter any discrepancies. Now, let's get started with the process of canceling or managing standing instructions on your ICICI debit card. Please follow the steps carefully we show in this video. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the official ICICI Bank website, that is www.icicibank.com. And once you have opened ICICI Bank official website, look for the Cards option, and then select Debit Cards or ATM Card option. From here, look for Standing Instruction and Recurring Charges, and click on More. And it takes us to Merchant Standing Instructions page. So here you can see the few list of for various merchants for those you can manage standing instructions. If your merchant is not available in this list or you don't have any information about your subscription details, then you can select the option No for other merchants. And it takes us to another page where you have to submit your ICICI debit card details. In this page, you have to enter the ICICI card details on which card you want. Manage standing instructions at the Here re-enter your ICICI Bank 16 digits debit card number. For example, 12341234567856778, and then you can click on Login. From there, you will redirected to ICICI Bank's site to verify your card details. Once we redirected to verification page, you will receive a one-time password from your ICICI Bank, and you need enter the one-time password here, and click on Submit. There you go. We have on the Standing Instructions page where you can see all recurring e-mandates on your debit card. On this, we don't have any instructions currently, but we can see the list of inactive mandates. Congratulations! You did it! You've successfully learned how to cancel or manage standing instructions on your ICICI debit card online. We hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful in taking control of your recurring payments and bills. Remember, managing your finances smartly can make a significant difference in your financial well-being. Always stay vigilant about your subscriptions and recurring payments to avoid any surprises in the future. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful guides and tips on managing your finances effectively. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Take care and happy banking!